In this video, you will learn how to create subdomain in Hostinger and also how to install WordPress. So first of all, log into your Hostinger account, then click Hosting. On the next page, you need to choose the domain on which you want to create the subdomain. Then click Manage. On the next page, you need to search for subdomains. You can find this search bar on the right side or the left side. Then on the next page, you need to choose the subdomain name. It can be anything xyz.yourdomain.com. In my case, I'll keep it seochecker.ashwebdesigns.com. So then you need to hit create. Our subdomain is now created. Let's see if it's working. It's not working because we need to update the DNS record of our domain. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Here you need to copy the IP address for your hosting account, and we will update the DNS settings of our domain name. My domain name is managed by the Cloudflare. So I will update the DNS setting in Cloudflare, and you can update your own DNS setting in your domain name provider. Add a new record, keep the type A. In name you need to paste the domain name, and in IP address you need to paste the IP address which we copied in the previous step. Keep TTL auto and hit save. Our domain name settings are now updated. Let's go back and check if our subdomain is now working or not. As we have refreshed, our domain name is now working because DNS settings has been updated. Now we can install the WordPress on our subdomain. Go back to your dashboard and search for auto installer. You can also search for WordPress. Hit select. Now again we need to choose WordPress. On the next screen you need to configure the installation. Simply choose the subdomain which we have created in the previous step. Make sure to check HTTP or HTTPS if you have SSL enabled. Enter other details like email, password, then complete the installation. For complete installation tutorial on how to install WordPress on Hostinger, you can watch the end screen video.